Hey guys, what's up? So today we're gonna make chicken wingettes. We're gonna smoke them and put them on the smoker for about an hour, hour and a half, and we're gonna try the 0 to 400 method and so forth. So right now what I did is I took the chicken out the package and I wiped them down, try to get them as dry as possible. And then next I'm going to put them in the refrigerator for about 20 minutes just to hopefully get some more of the moisture out. So we're going to do that right now and we'll get back with you in a couple minutes. All right, guys, I just pulled these chicken wingettes out of the refrigerator for about 20-30 minutes to let them kind of dry out some more. So basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to coat half of these with this one called Superbird roasted chicken rub, and then the other half I'm going to go with the cowboy butter, which is butter, jalapeno, and paprika. So yeah, we're gonna try those out. What?
Paprika.
Paprika.
Is it spicy?
You had it on the turkey the other day.
Oh, okay.
So I'm gonna do half and half though, just in case. It's my chicken. It's been sitting here for about 10-15 minutes while I clean up the big pit boss, the Lexington. So I'm going to be putting that on in a couple minutes, well, about 10 minutes. I'm going to fire it up first and then put it on and try to go from that, not really the 0 to 400, because I don't want to get all that smoke on it at first when it first starts up. So once the smoke all clears up, then I will put them on and start cooking from there. So basically once it reaches about maybe 80-85 degrees, then I'll put it on and then just let the temperature build up to 400 and then let it go. All right, we're gonna go turn that on now, so I'll be right back. This is getting warmed up just a little bit, got the bad smoke going off. So now I think I'm gonna go ahead and put the chicken on. So I'll be right back. Alright guys, so I'm gonna go out and check on our chicken wingettes and see where they're at. They've been on the smoker for about 20 minutes at 400 degrees and we're gonna go check, see how they're looking, and see if I need to turn them right now. So let's go ahead and go out there and take a look. Let's see. Let's go at 400 degrees. I guess we love it. Looking pretty good, looking yummy. All right, let's give this another 20 minutes. Our temperature's dropped down to 390. Pellets are still looking good. Let that go for a little bit longer. Well, guys, as you can see, it is sleet coming down right now. So, yep. Pellets. Cool. Let's take a look. Alright guys, so we're gonna go out and check the chicken. It's been like another 15-20 minutes, so I'm pretty sure it's done by now, but we'll probe them, make sure they're at temperature. So I'll see you out there. Guys, here we are. The chicken is done. Looking pretty good there. So I'm just gonna try one out real quick and see what we got. Let me try one of these right here. Pretty sure I'll probably burn my mouth, but let's just check it out. And crunchy. Just what I wanted. I'm gonna give that a thumbs up. That one is good. We'll try this one over here. I think this is the cowboy butter. Oh. Much better. I would have to say the cowboy butter is the best. Good flavor. Really buttery tasting. Yep. I like that one. Alright guys. It's just a short video. Cooking the chicken, smoking the chicken wingettes. So if you like what you see, give a like, give a share, make sure you subscribe, and thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you on the next video. Take care. Love you all.